8. Boyfriend took me to a fancy restaurant and we ordered wine. When the waiter came back he gave my BF the cork to sniff. My BF grabbed it, sucked on it and licked it like a lollipop all excited while the waiter looked uncomfortable, poured our glasses and slunk away. 9. He wrote a love poem about my brown eyes. My eyes are in fact green. 10. He decided that he didn't want to poop while staying with me in student halls, so he didn't poop for 10 days and seriously messed up his digestive system. 11. I found it charming and endearing that he did funny voices, made funny idiosyncratic jokes and occasionally called me m'lady. Then I saw Anchorman. Oh my god, he literally was doing a 24/7 Ron Burgundy impression, eclipsing his entire personality. I'm not sure I ever really met him. 12. I asked her out and she said yes.